Alright, hello again YouTube viewers. This is Dayton Lasko fan number 3. The fan still has its original plug. Fan 3 also notably has this red ribbon attached to its tassel. And the counter is still intact inside there. Sorry, I'm in the shadow of this light. Let's go on this side. Here we go. Let's go ahead and go to low. Speed 1. Pretty nice low speed. Speed 2. That sound you hear is the campy. It's missing the lower campy screw, so it just sits on top of there. Running good air. Last speed 3. Like I said, that is just the upper campy. You would need a screw. Very good breeze underneath the fan. There is your bearing sound, if there is any. These are pretty quiet actually after a little bit of wet lithium. These are actually pretty powerful fans. I forgot how good these actually are for being, plastic and metal. Like I said, the only thing I've been doing to these fans is I've been assembling them and scoring some WD-40 white lithium. It's like a can of mix, I guess, into the bearings just to quiet them and free up some of the grease. And they seem to be running pretty quiet so far. Nothing too noisy or noticeably loud. But we have 3 more to go, so. And the reminder, this is Dayton Lasko fan number 3, the red tassel. Thanks for watching.